girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to see what I got for this month, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing this video because if you do not know, I had canceled my Ipsy subscription because I was kind of over it and I was just loving my BoxyCharm, but I was missing my Ipsy, watching so many of my YouTube friends open their Ipsys, and it's been kind of good, so I decided to sign back up and my bag just came today. So if you do not know what Ipsy Glam Plus is, Ipsy Glam Plus is a beauty subscription where you pay $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products valuing over $150. So let's see what is in this month's bag. So I'm gonna open it up. Now I gotta do this with you guys, okay? And I was ready to open it and I just got it today. Oh yay. Make sure there we go. I want to make sure my label don't show my address. Okay, open. It's like the bag opening, but it's super bubble wrapped. Okay. So here goes the bag for this month, and it's super cute. I like that they put them in bags now instead of boxes, and I really do like this. This is super cute and fall. So let me set this down. Let's see what we got going on. So we have a little card in here. It just says be present and, you know, hashtag blessed and all this stuff. And it has some little, I'll let you guys see that. And it has some little information on here, but nothing about what's inside the bag. That's one thing I did not like about Ipsy. But the first thing that I see is some pencils. So let's take these out and let's see what's going on with this. So it says that these are by Gurl, if I'm saying that right, Gurl. And it's a 3-in-1 lip sparkle balm. And I got Twinkle and Periwinkle. So this is what the packaging is looking like. These are the colors that I got. Let's see. It's a 3-in-1 sparkle balm. Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick. Oh, okay. Because I wasn't quite sure what you would use this for, so I'm going to have to try that out on top of a liquid lipstick and then put some balm on top of that. So we're going to try this out. Make a video coming soon with these. And then looks like we got a palette, and it is by Shania B, Miami eyeshadow palette. Oops. It goes right here. And on the back it does show the shades. I believe I have this eyeshadow palette. So let's just open it up. Yes, I do. So I'm not going to take off the little film. I do have this eyeshadow palette and it is very pretty. I have created some looks with this. So I will put this in a giveaway. But I'm trying not to get my ring light in there. But look at those shades. Super cute. So I'm going to put this to the side to go in a giveaway. But it's always nice to get a palette. Next up, I got this is by Julie. Eyeshadow 101 cream to powder eyeshadow stick. So this is the packaging. Super cute. And it looks like I may have got like some type of brown shade, taupey shade. It says bronzer shimmer. Yep. A brown. And I like those. I like bronze things. So yes, super cute. And this is what it's looking like. And I'm going to do a little swatch on my hands. Oh yeah, this is a nice color and I like that it comes in a stick. So I won't have to use a brush. But look at that. Very nice. It can go like in my inner corner and so forth. So I'm happy about this and I tried that out. Next up, this is by Sugar Rush Tarte. It's a lip sip vegan lip oil. A lip sip, huh? So this is the packaging, super cute. You know your girl loves some purple. So this is in dragon fruit. And I already got some lip gloss on, so I'm not going to put this on. But I am going to definitely try this out. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Just so cute, you guys. Look at that. And let's see what it smells like. Definitely smells like passion fruit. And I think it has mold on there, you guys. Look, I had just pulled it out. And do you guys see that? Oh my God, I'm not even gonna get to try this, but it has mold on there, and that's definitely mold. I have not used this or anything. I just pulled this out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Cause it's like dark brown and kind of Oh, and I was really, really intrigued to use this. It smells so good, and I love the packaging. Maybe I'll contact Ipsy and see what they'll say about this, but that's very disappointing, you guys. It's very disappointing. Okay, so last but not least, I got another palette, and it's by Violet Voss. It's the 6-color eyeshadow pressed and pigment palette. And this is the packaging. It's super cute and sleek. I do like that. So let's open this up and see. Ooh, I love how it's super mini and compact. Great for travel. Ooh, and she got some pretty colors. Yes, this is something that I would wear and bring with me to travel. You can create some really nice looks with these, and you know, your girl. Yes, definitely like the look I'm wearing right now, I could have created with this palette. So yeah, very cute, very nice, and definitely for the fall season. So let's do some swatching. So I want to swatch this champagne color, coral pop, pretty peach. So let me, all right. So we have champagne, gorgeous. This is coral pop. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that. That's nice. And then we have pretty peach. So that is nice too. That is a really peachy color. That blended right into my skin. So yes. And then we have some brown colors. Let's go on and swatch those. Let me wipe my hands off. And we have Teddy, chocolate, and silk is like this nude color. I'll swatch that too. So we have Teddy. Can y'all see that? I know my swatching's really bad. Let's see. And then we have chocolate. Put that right there. Ooh, chocolate's really chocolate, y'all. Sorry about that. My bracelets keep falling, but that's chocolate. You see Teddy down there. It's like a light brown. It's like, you know, a little bit darker than me, but not too much. That could be like a neutral color for me. Like, you know. And then this is chocolate. And then last but not least, we have, silk. Which is this color right here. That will be good too. So yeah, this is a really nice palette to have in your collection. Especially like for traveling, throw in your purse or whatnot. You create a nice look with this. So yeah. So that is all the items that I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of November. I do not know the price of the items. I'm gonna have to do my research and then put everything down in the description box because I do not know the price of the items. So yeah, but I am pleased. This Shania B palette is very, very nice. I have used it, so I'm glad to get this to put in a giveaway for one of you lucky viewers out there. Okay, and I really do like the Violet Voss palette. Super cute, great to have. Super cute for everyday looks, fall looks, and great for on the go. And I'm going to try these out and see how they do. So a video will be coming up soon with these. And I really do like the bronzing eyeshadow stick because I love bronze colors. And it's definitely that time of the year for it. Bronze colors. And I love that it is on a stick, so I don't have to use a brush. Especially if I'm in a rush, I can just, and boom, I'm done, you know. But I am disappointed about my Sugar Rush Tarte Lip Gloss. If I swear that looks like mold, but if it's not mold, I'm still not going to use it because that just don't look right. If you take your spoolie, I mean, if you open a lip gloss and take your lip applicator out and it has something like that on there, would you want to use it? And I wouldn't want to use the stuff that's inside of it. So, yeah, see, the rest of it looks fine. It's just that one spot. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm very disappointed in this, and I really wanted to try this out, you guys. I really did. So, disappointing, but hey, it is what it is. So, I am pleased with my box. I'm not disappointed in it. I'm just disappointed with this one item. But everything else I love. And I also got something for you guys. So it was a win-win for me. But like I said, I'll have everything linked down in the description box with pricing and everything. But yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what did you like out of my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of November. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.